Hi mga peeps! Welcome back to our channel. Nagpunta pala kami last weekend sa Market Square dito sa Cambridge. At ito yung paborito namin kainin dito, ang Pad Thai. Medyo may kamahalan lang siya ngayon, nasa 10 pounds na ata, unlike before na nasa 7 pounds lang. Pero paulit-ulit namin binibili ito ni Daddy tuwing pupunta kami dito sa Cambridge.
Cause life's already hard enough. You don't gotta act so tough all the time. Be nice. Cause we all gotta deal with stuff. And everybody needs a hug sometime. Be nice.
We got nuts and chili here. See? It's a lot, no?
We're all sharing this great big
Subok.
so let's take care of everybody. I just wanna have a conversation. I just wanna make a friend or two.
Sarap di.
I'm not trying to change your mind. All I'm trying to do.
Ayun yung lagi namin kinakain guys dito sa may Cambridge Market.
Cause life's already hard enough.
Sulit na, ang laki ng serving. Good for 2 people na. Ganyan kids.
Ang maganda dito, tuwing kakainin mo, iba-iba yung lasa. This week iba yung lasa, next week iba yung lasa.
Depende kung sino yung nagluto sa kanila. Minsan masos, minsan kulang sa sauce. Pero
Minsan malasa, minsan matabang ka ganyan, medyo matabang, pero okay pa rin. So first time mo, hindi mo mapapansin. Pero since kabisado na namin, pansin na namin.
you got some.
Okay, Mami, she'll...
If I was a needle in a haystack, in some lonely field way out,
Minsan yung lasa niya, mas malasa siya sa ilalim kasi kumatas na eh.
you would know.
So, bigyan mo lang ng magandang halo sa umpisa para magpantay yung lasa.
If I was a single grain of sand, washed
Gusto ng mga bata. You like it?
island in the sea.
Ayun o, limas na ni Mami.
Just where to find me.
Sarap?
Sarap?
It's a
Ha?
Sarap? Sarap?
far from home.
Sabi mo ha? Sarap. No, simutin mo na, madam.
Yeah. Bukog na akong bilis sa tiyan eh.
Pwede mo bigay sa akin. Busog ka na pala eh. There you go. Fun. It's all fun. Sarap kumain sa labas, no? May araw. May hangin.
What's the chicken? It's vegetable. You want that vegetable? Vegetable? Wanna try?
Wow, very good, huh? It's gonna make you pretty.
Tod?
Dog.
Tod na. Okay. You're all full?
Pagkatapos namin kumain, nag-crave naman kami ng sweets. So naisipan namin pumunta sa bilihan ng ice cream na paborito din namin ni Daddy tuwing nandito kami sa town.
Ice cream! We're gonna buy ice cream.
As always.
There's our long queue. Okay.
Summer.
There, we're going to buy ice cream. You want ice cream? You want ice cream? Vanilla? Cup na lang.
Ice
There's no vanilla, dude.
Huh?
There's no vanilla, Haven. Okay?
Anything similar to vanilla? Okay.
Babawasan mo kasi kumapo.
Oh, daddy will... Daddy will cut it so that it won't overflow, okay?
That's for Katniss. Chocolate one.
No, so that it won't overflow.
Ito rin yung paborito naming ice cream dito sa Cambridge. Aromi. Aromi yung tatak niya. Tapos, paborito namin ni Daddy itong pistachio. Pero minsan tawag niya ay... Anong tawag mo dito?
Pistachio macchiato.
Macchiato. Pero pistachio siya. Si Haven naman, ang gusto niya, vanilla. Haven, what's vanilla?
Hindi kasi siya mahilig sa chocolate no?
Hindi siya mahilig sa chocolate. So, Katniss got the chocolate. She loves chocolate. And Haven wants vanilla as always.
That's nothing for mommy. What's for you, mom?
Daddy will share
Mami Picture ka ba dito dati? Upo tayo doon sa may yun
Katniss, come here. Here.
Kain. Ben, ayaw niya ng ibang flavor. Okay, kain.
Sa paglakad-lakad namin sa Cambridge, napadpad kami sa Parker's Piece. At dito pala ay may Cambridge Fair. So, naglibot-libot lang kami at naghanap kami ng pwede namin makain ulit.
Daming store. May bayad. Siyempre may bayad.
Wala, baka gusto nila kaso hindi natin mabubulot siyang pabalik.
Oo. Daming tao. Loaded fries with chicken strips and German sausage. Let's eat. Oh.
Di ba mainit?
Is it not hot? You like it? It's hot? Is it yum yum?
May ketchup ka pa.
That's chicken.
Chicken then.
Chicken.
No. Mommy, get that the chicken, no? They're happy.
Daddy sumakay yung dalawa para masanay sila on their own.
Yes.
At nag-enjoy naman. You like it? You like it? You enjoy?
That was cool, wasn't it? Was it fun?
Was it fun?
Was it fun?
You enjoy it?
Parang na-traumatize yung itsura ng isa.
Candice, are you okay?
Okay ka lang ba?
Candy floss. Yeah. Candy floss.
I want to eat cotton candy. I want to eat cotton candy.
Okay. 3 pounds.
Don't press it, please.
Let-
This is for mom. Let's get some cotton.
Tagal naman? Tagal naman bukas?
Break it. Ah,
Wow.
who wants some?
I want pink.
Oh, look. Ah. Oh, you want pink one? This is cotton.
Cotton candy.
Hindi na ata kasi pang namukha ka nun.
Enjoy mo yung pagkain.
Girls! Girls! May nginaim si madam. Sarap? So, peeps, ito kami. Uwi na kami. Kasi ayaw na tumigil ng mga bata. Medyo malamig na eh.
Tsaka mahal yung rice.
Medyo kontrolin natin yung gastos natin, syempre. Uwi na kami. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung share naming mga pwedeng gawin dito sa Cambridge. Lalo na pagka may ganitong mga fair. Dito madalas eh, pero pagka ganitong season, medyo may mga ganapan dito. May mga Thai food festival, may mga iba't ibang fair pa dito. So, yun lang for today. Very spontaneous lang tayo sa mga ginawa natin. Sana na-enjoy nyo. So, always remember to share a smile.
And spread the love.
Because life is
delicious. See you in the next one.
Bye-bye! Bad trip po.
Ay, pamuwi kasi.